All right. So what we have to do for this scenario is we have to configure these fields and make them available for each record type. All right. So these fields needs to be displayed for users for account if the account record type is financial. These fields will be displayed if the account record type is customer. These fields will be displayed if the account record type is legal, and these fields will be displayed if the account record type is media. We have already created this 4 record types. So this one says 5, that is supposed to be 4. So if I go ahead and decide to create a new account, so I get 4 options. Now, in the previous session, what we have done is, let me open one account record. We have created our Lightning page for our account. The easy way to navigate there is you click on Setup, to Edit Page, and it will take us to the Lightning page. And here we have configured these sections on the detail side. We have configured these sections to be displayed if the user profile is finance team. Now imagine the requirements have changed. What I'm going to do is, instead of displaying this section based on the user profile, what we will do is we will change that and update that to display this if the record type is finance. All right. So let's delete this existing filter and configure it. Advanced record. We will go to record type, and I'm going to select the record type name equal to finance. This is how the API name is spelled for this record type that we have for account. And then similarly to this one, let's delete that and add this filter. One thing is want to do is it's best practice to choose the record type. Let me go back. So I'm on the record type. Instead of choosing this name, let's choose the record type name equal to, this is for media team, meaning if the account record type is media, then this section needs to be displayed, and click done. Let's go through this as well. Add filter, do advanced, select record type name equal customer. I know the record type names by default, so I'm not checking them on the account by heart. I know them by heart, so I'm not checking them on the object, but usually best practice is you go to the account object and check how the API names of those record types are spelled. So this is legal team section, and this is supposed to be displayed if the account record type is legal. All right, and record type name is equal to legal. Click done, and we will save this. Okay. Now I'm opening, it's saved, changes are saved. I'm clicking on account, and let's navigate to one of the, let's go back from there and open an account record, right? The finance, for example, the finance account, which was created for finance record type. So we wanted the finance fields to be displayed on the finance, for the finance record type. But looks like we are not there yet. So now we're going to solve this problem. So let's duplicate this tab so that I have 2 tabs open. And then from the setup, I'll navigate to that page. And let's clearly see what the issue is. We said on the details that if the record type is finance, then display these fields. But those fields are not here for this account record type. Okay, we created new account with the finance record type. All right, so the issue, why we're not seeing the appropriate fields over here is I misspelled the record type name. So I'm going to change that to financial instead of finance and click done. And then we will save this. All right, we'll save that. Let's go back and open the record type and view these fields. Now we see those fields as expected. If we create another quick record type, let's say this time I want to create legal. Next, click next. Employees, 1000. Account name, legal service. And click save. Now in this scenario, we should see the fields for legal department. This account information is available for everyone and the other sections. So, but the other sections are hidden. So this is how we control what sections can appear based on the record type.